Okay, class. Now let's do some clapping to the rhythm first. Okay, we need to get familiarized with the meaning, crochet, and semi-brief. Okay, let's clap to the beat. When you saw meaning, you clap it and hold for 2 counts. 1, 2, then only open. Okay, for crochet, 1. For semi-brief, 1, 2, 3, 4, out. Okay, ready? Stand by, clapping ya. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Crochet. 1, 2, 3. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Meaning 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Semi-brief. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, too fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Meaning 1, 2, 3. Semi-brief. Hold 2, 3, 4. Out. Okay, remember? Hold 2, 3, 4. Out. Don't just hold 2, 3, 4. Don't do that. Okay, so let me show you one time how this song is done. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Crochet. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. So do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Okay? Got it? Yes. Can? Clear? Alright. 1, 2, 3. Crochet. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2. Again. G. G. Yes. Go. 3, 2, 3, 4. 3, 1, 4. 2, 3, G. G, 2. C. Good. G, 2. C. And 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 1, 4, 3, 2. G, C. G. Good. C. Good. G. And C. G to 1. 3. Meaning 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Okay. Can? Can? Okay, next, can I go to, can I check Usma? Yes, you. If not, me. 3, go. 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 3, 2, 1, 2. Slowly. 2, 3, 3, 1, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. So, do. 4, 3, 2. Good. 4, 3, 2. Last one. So, do. Good. So, do. 3. Good. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Nice. Okay? Good. Can we all do together? Okay, class. So can we now all do this together? Can? Can I? Be careful. Follow the rhythm. Ready? In. 1, 2, 3, go. Good. 2 and 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 2. So, do, 3, 1. 4, 2, 3, 4. So, do, so, do. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, do, so, do, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, up. Can? One more time, ah. So we have finished learning this song. So how's the result? Remember, follow the rhythm. Don't rush. Trust yourself, you can do it. Practice makes better, maybe perfect. Okay, that's it for today's class. I'll see you guys next week. Okay, bye-bye.